Endless trays, perfect temperature, and the power of steam. This is how we bring fresh baked goodness to your table every day.
Every minute, thousands of breads are baked here without human hands. This is one of the most advanced bread factories in the world. It all begins with precision-measured flour and automated mixers.
Robots knead dough with perfect consistency, every single batch. Each piece is divided with millimeter-level accuracy.
The dough rests and rises inside climate-controlled chambers.
This process gives bread its soft texture and airy structure.
Next, the loaves enter gigantic ovens, operating at extreme precision.
Temperature and timing decide the perfect crust.
Freshly baked bread emerges every second.
Before slicing, the bread is carefully cooled.
Ultra-fast blades slice thousands of loaves per hour. Each slice is identical, clean, and precise.
Packaging happens faster than the human eye can follow. Humans supervise while machines do the heavy work.
Every loaf passes strict quality and hygiene checks.
Millions of breads are prepared daily for global distribution.
Logistics move non-stop to meet worldwide demand.
This factory never sleeps, operating 24 hours a day.
From flour to package, all in just a few hours. This is technology, turning simple ingredients into daily food.
This is how millions of breads reach your table every day.